National Endowment of the Arts had a study, and in the study they said 2/3 of Americans do not attend an arts or culture event in any given year. That's really sad, because arts and culture open our minds to different perspectives. It opens our imagination to things that we didn't think were possible. Artober is supposed to be the beginning of a movement to show that Richmond is this place, that we have a lively arts and culture community here. CultureWorks is the creator of Artober VA, and we have a number of sponsors, and we have over 500 events on the calendar right now. It's not just arts. It's art galleries and theaters. It's museums, it's historic sites. There are collaborations. You're going to be seeing pop-up art. That's what we're kind of hoping to offer, is just a big, beautiful, wide view of the amazing things Richmond has to offer. I'm most excited about the collaborations that we're doing with the Better Housing Coalition. We began having conversations with them about making sure that there were arts in unusual places that are sometimes underserved. And so we've been working with them and with specific artists to bring art out to areas where people may not have access to it. You go to artoberva.com. There you'll find our calendar, and you can go on the calendar and find pretty much anything that you are interested in. Also, what we're going to be offering are specials and giveaways and contests. What we want to see happen is more participation in arts and culture in Richmond and the Tri-Cities area.